The Sentinel installation instructions. A common frustration for flag and flagpole owners is their flag becoming tangled on the flagpole itself or nearby objects. The Eagle Mountain Sentinel helps to resolve this problem. Each Sentinel contains the flagpole Sentinel as well as an Allen key wrench. Slowly slide set screw collar over the correct size pole based on the flagpole Sentinel ordered. Continue sliding the flagpole Sentinel until it is at the bottom edge of your flag. The set screw collar is designed to be a snug fit and may require a slight nudge when sliding over a spinner pole joint. The mounting of the flag's grommets of flag header should be set so flag is taut to pole mast. With the flag hanging down and the flag Sentinel rod and clip aligned with the flag, tighten the Allen head set screw until snug. Do not over-tighten. Install the flagpole to its holder. Gently pull flag taut and attach Sentinel clip to the bottom edge of your flag. Be sure to take down your flag when winds become excessive.